By rights, you should be putting a piece of rope down the cylinder hole, but try to do it without getting it. So put this on. There she goes. Okay, now we got some pusher points here. So I'm gonna have to put the keyway in there. And this is made by Wico in 1938. Oh, that's old, man. This part is made in 1938. I'm sure the engine is 1938 as well. So, champion. So I'm gonna try to get her cleaned up. I'm gonna clean up the points, and you can see how this works. Got a little cam lobe there. If I can get spark out of it, it'll run. Wow, not necessarily. It'll run with fuel down the cylinder, but I'm gonna try to get it going. It's an oldie.